the yesterday experiment, I still have some clay left, so I decided to do one more thing and dissolve everything. But before dissolving, I be panning and just leave little bit of that material. Everything else I be panning with the black sand, and we will see how much we get it. How much gold we get it from this. Let's get the black sand. Okay, I crush it. Now I want to classify, just separate smaller particles from bigger particles. Still need to be crushed. Need 2 hands. Okay, I be classifying. Now I be adding some black sand, which one I collect in the river. Okay, this is a black sand, and now we be panning like normal. So gold supposed to go in the bottom and of this black sand, so that way we save a lot of chemicals, because we be working just with the heavy material. If they left little bit of sand, it's no big deal, okay, because it's very little. You see, black sand left. Actually, all heavy materials left underneath this black sand. So now I go get a magnet and pull it all magnetics out. And what's left I be putting in aqua regia, because there be just what we need. There be very little amount, and just that what we need. I didn't see nothing actually, but let's see. With the magnet I take it out. Let me go get the magnet. Collecting black sand with the magnet. We don't put inside, but just try to from far collect all this black sand what we added. Okay, all this black sand, need to put it in the plate and dry it out to be reusing next time. After working with the magnet, what's left is always heavy material. Which one heavier than iron? Black sand. And let's see, there is gold, but it's so small I can't even show you. Let me try put it in. I can't even show you, so small. Maybe that dust is gold stuff. This much material left. I transferred to the small beaker, 100 milliliters beaker, and now I putting potassium nitrate a little bit. Okay, little bit more today. I want a little bit stronger. And hydrochloric acid, 80 milliliters. Let's put on the heat. Let him work. We'll see what we get it now. Everything boiling, something dissolving. Okay, too hot. Something boiling. Let him work for a while till it stop bubbling. And boiling is over, so right now we'll be adding some urea, okay, to kill the nitric if there is. Yeah, nitric is still there. So we slowly putting in because they can run away. And maybe we need to take it out from heat. Okay. Color almost red. So let's filtrate some. And here we add some more urea. Still, I put a little bit too much nitric maybe. No, now looks like we're done. So let's filtrate this solution. Maybe let's do this way. And this is empty bottle. It's very slowly dripping. Okay, let him play. And when we finish, we just do electrolysis and we'll see what we get, because okay, so we leave it till everything finishes. Operation is over, so I'm adding some water. Okay, and we start electrolysis. I set 2 volts. Let's start electrolysis. Okay, 3 amps, 2 volts, 3.5 amps. So let him work for a while. There is no one to hold it. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's happened. Okay, solution started changing color, getting darker. I'll see what we get it. Solution getting darker, darker, darker. So we keep it for like 5 minutes and we stop it. Then we'll be waiting for 3 or 4 hours till everything falls down on the bottom. After 5 minutes I took it out iron, and on this cathode I see brown powder cover it, so means something is precipitated in this. So now I just need to wait till everything coagulates and falls down on the bottom. Okay, volt 1.8 volts, 4.62 amps. Solution is already dark enough, and I'm thinking time to stop reaction. Okay, let's see. It's covered in something. Okay, and here is covered in some kind of black stuff, but when you look properly it looks like brown, so that means gold. So I'm cleaning. Something reacting. Some bubbles. Dissolving something from this. Okay. Yeah, something dissolving from this stick. So means another metals maybe participated. Look in solution, you see brown color. So that means we have gold something on the bottom, but I can't say. So leave it for right now for like 2-3 hours, and we will see what we get it. Okay. Okay, half hour pass, and we have gold in the bottom, and solution almost clear, so we can decant it, and we will see how much gold we have. Wow, this is what we got. Transfer to the small beaker. Little water, very little to wash. Okay, now we just need to settle down for another half hour, and that much gold was in that clay. Let's see. Let's wait for another half hour. Past like half hour, all clay, there is gold, settled down on the bottom. And you see the brown color. This is our gold. So not a lot, but from that little amount of clay, it's a lot. Okay, so I'm going back to the same place, collect more clay, and I'll be recovering gold. Thanks for watching. See you next time.